Preeti Chaudhary is also joining us at the moment. Jail ka jawab vote se denge. How does that campaign change now with Arvind Kejriwal out of jail soon, Preeti?
The campaign will only be bolstered, Poulomi, and that was what was decided by the Aam Aadmi Party. Because recently they've seen quite a few setbacks when it's come from court after Sanjay Singh. That was a big boost, and a number of legal setbacks. They were still 50% when I spoke to, my sources within the Aam Aadmi Party this morning on what they were expecting, because they said that the Supreme Court has at least made the right observations. They were waiting for the order today. They're a bit stunned right now, to be honest, to tell you a little offline of what's going on, that they've finally been able to get bail for Arvind Kejriwal. The campaign will now, trust, a massive campaign to be built on the lines of jail ka jawab vote se. And it's not going to end in Delhi. Already you've had a Sanjay Singh who's been speaking, they wanted to hold their horses, but last 2 days you've had Sanjay Singh who's been trying to coordinate, communicate with the India Alliance. Word also coming in, Poulomi, that we might now see Raghav Chadha back in the national capital, or back in India rather, at the back of Arvind Kejriwal getting bail. He might just come in, is what I'm hearing. But away from all of that, what we can expect, number one, Arvind Kejriwal will not be limited to campaign in Delhi and Punjab and one seat of Kurukshetra. Definitely he's going to focus on the seats that the Aam Aadmi Party is fighting in Punjab, Kurukshetra, Delhi. Already that one seat of Gujarat has gone to vote. But having said that, while that might be the lion's share of his campaign, it's going to be the India Alliance. Trust Arvind Kejriwal to be part of a couple of, rallies of the India Alliance, and all of that will come together, because mind you, Hemant Soren is also now going to be pushing on the same grounds for bail when it comes down to it. So interesting in that fashion. What it really tantamounts to, as I speak, the Aam Aadmi Party communication team, planning team are all putting their lot together in terms of strategizing on where best to unveil what they call their weapon in terms of campaigning. Till now what we've seen is a fair amount of bravado from the Aam Aadmi Party, bluster, where they've tried to put forth the likes of a Sanjay Singh, the likes of a Bhagwant Mann, even a Sunita Kejriwal playing the housewife, sympathy, trying to garner. But away from all of that, away from the bluster and the bravado, even the Aam Aadmi Party knows best that there is only one person who is not just their face, he's their biggest vote catcher, he's their biggest strategist, and not just that, but also the face for the larger India Alliance. For them, this is a huge boost coming in for the Aam Aadmi Party. I was just speaking to my sources within the Aam Aadmi Party. They are hoping to capitalize and catapult this into a big election moment. They feel, as per some people in the India Alliance, that Arvind Kejriwal going to jail provided a small twist or a brief momentum to the India Alliance cause, where they went to the people saying that we've been targeted and this is political vendetta. Now is the time where they feel that the release of Arvind Kejriwal, even though it's just for about exactly 20 days from now, for now, in the middle of the campaign season, will lead to another big boost of momentum. It remains to be seen, but, of what I know of the Aam Aadmi Party and what I know of Arvind Kejriwal, he is going to come out guns blazing. You can, you'll see him in Delhi, you will see him in Punjab. He will not speak about the case, but like I pointed out, that push of jail ka jawab vote se will continue.
Absolutely. And not just in Delhi and Punjab, during the Aam Aadmi Party's campaigns in both these states, it could also be, a mega India bloc sort of show of strength as well, with Arvind Kejriwal, Preeti, as some sort of a big star of the moment.
It's already started. It's already in the works. Poulomi, because when I was speaking to my sources, both within the India Alliance as well as, the Aam Aadmi Party, till now, because a lot of times what's happened is that the observations coming from the court are strong, but when the order comes in, it's gone against the Aam Aadmi Party. So they were waiting. They were hoping, but they were waiting. They were stunned by this verdict, but already the last 2 days, there has been a game plan. Sanjay Singh has been spearheading it. He has been campaigning. Sanjay's been campaigning in Baramati. He's been campaigning in Maharashtra. He's going all across campaigning for the India Alliance. He was in UP a short while ago. So he is the one who's now the connect. Earlier on, it was to be Raghav Chadha. If you remember, he was one of the ones who was representing the Aam Aadmi Party for the coordination committee, because at that time Sanjay Singh was in jail. Sanjay Singh has now taken over that responsibility. Last 2 days, Sanjay Singh has been speaking with the India Alliance, saying that if Arvind Kejriwal comes back, we must try and milk the momentum. And in politics, Poulomi, for someone like you who's covered it for so long, optics are practically everything. To build perception, to try and milk as much for a political opportunity. The Aam Aadmi Party feels they've been given that window now. Now, will they be able to bolster on it? Like I said, word coming in, we might even see a Raghav Chadha who's been sitting in London, England, to come back to India. What we can expect, Arvind Kejriwal now to be on the dais on a national India, alliance, definitely. And then on the back of it, Delhi is going to be, he's going to be his key area. What we are expecting, Arvind Kejriwal will, of course, not just campaign for his 4 seats, but the 3 seats where Congress is on the ticket as well. And then, of course, the big fight in the last phase in Punjab, 7th phase.